My favorite tutorials are always the ones where I start out by covering the entire cookie with my hands so you can't see what I'm doing. Start by outlining a fat oval at the base of the face with some medium consistency cream colored icing and then fill it in immediately. Smooth it out if you need to and let it dry for at least 15 minutes before moving on to the next step. Grab some goldish yellow colored icing and finish piping in the rest of the face. This icing was made with yellow food coloring and gold food coloring mixed together. It gives it that nice, deep yellow color. Watch how I use the scribe tool to pull the icing down on the sides of that cream colored icing. It helps me to get those tiny little edges right where they need to be. Use the same icing to outline and fill the neck area of the giraffe as well. Again, use a scribe tool if necessary to smooth it out. Tap the cookie or shake it, whatever you normally do. Let that dry for another 15 minutes. For the ears, start by piping a dot of icing and then without squeezing, use the icing tip to pull it towards the center of the head. Pipe 2 little lines for the OSSicones and let everything dry for another 15 minutes. Come back with some medium consistency brown icing, pipe the top of the OSSicones, and then add a little tuft of hair at the top of the giraffe's head. Then go a little bit crazy on the giraffe's neck and add some spots wherever you feel like it. They don't have to look like anything and they don't have to be in any particular order. Grab some black icing, add 2 little dots for eyes and 2 slightly larger dots for the nostrils. Look at our cute little giraffe.